Shock ni Juan Amican Sorel de la Rosa, agtawen iti 15, nga taga Barangay 1, San Francisco! Agyaman!
Up next, we have candidate number 2.
Umay kayon gumatang toyla kuminga banga na ibag arabi San Nicolenyo. San Nicolas at Damili kami. Damili nga naaramid iti daga banga dalikan malabi kan lusob. Iso ipanpanakil mi at Damili kami. My name is Nalan Joy Mercado, 20, representing Barangay 2, San Baltasar, Agbiag San Nicolas, Agbiag Damili Festival!
Up next, we have Barangay 3.
Of our future. Shock ni Jeneline Jane Dupitas, 18. Malasang iti Barrio 3, San Ildefonso. Naragsak na rambak iti pinagpiesta tayo, San Nicolas. Happy Fiesta!
Barangay 4, San Bartolome.
is Janiel A. Bagay, 16 years old, representing the beautiful and united barangay of San Silvestre. Happy Fiesta and I love you all.
Barangay 6, San Juan Bautista.
In our barangay, there is a spirit that's strong like the waves and enduring as the earth. A spirit born from unity, resilience, and richness of our culture. Like the bukto. Yes, the bukto. That the humble fish that thrives in the river of our land. We adapt, persevere, and flourish together, no matter the tides. Tonight, I stand before you, embodying the values and vibrancy of our community. Proud to represent not just our history, but building the bright San Nicolas ahead of us. I am Frances Leandra, your AriBai Sais!
Barangay 7, San Miguel.
As an AriBai, I am proud to embrace the heritage and culture and represent each one of you San Nicoleños na nagsaka pinagpiesta ili a San Nicolas. Nicole Bayudan, 21, representing San Miguel!
Next up, Barangay 8, San Rufino.
Naragsak narambak a Fiesta San Nicolas from the home of the renowned Nana Paula, where a timeless tradition of pottery has flourished for generations, nestled in the heart of our vibrant heritage town. I am Athena Marian Manuel, 15 years old, Balasang ti San Rufino.
Barangay 10, San Paulo. Barangay 9, San Lucas.
As one community, we gathered here to celebrate our Damili festival. Today, I am here standing of you together with my fellow San Nicolas. I am Rebelin Campos, 21, proud to represent my barangay, my lovely barangay, San Lucas!
Barangay 10, San Paulo.
Naimbag nga Rabi San Nicolenyo, naragsak, narambak, Damili Festival, siya ni Princess Griselda A. Badwa, all the way from the home of the great Mamantay, San Paulo.
Up next, Barangay 11, San Fernando.
Naragsak, narambak, Damili Festival, naimbag Arabi, siya ni Kathleen Kate De Leon, 18, Balasag ti Alawagi, AriBai ni San Fernando!
Barangay 12, San Cayetano.
I strive to shape my own path with care and dedication of our heritage, San Cayetano. I am Mayfritz Reyes Agustin, 19, from the yearly awardee of Ecological Awardee, Barangay 12, San Cayetano. Naragsak, narambak na Panagfiesta, San Nicolas!